Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we're going to do something a little different. Our last video was a giveaway, and we're going to do another one even though the other one is still running because, so this is June, we're about a week and a half into June. So for the month of June, what we have ordered box-wise in total would be, of course, Magic at Your Door Gold Box, Magic at Your Door Bronze Box, the Bibbidi Bobbidi Ultimate Magic Box. We ordered a Magical AF box for Magic at Your Door. We ordered Main Street Treats box that's on its way. By mistake, we ordered another Walt Life because we forgot to cancel it. We ordered Main Street Mail, and we ordered mouse merch. So, of those 8, none are here. So, we're still going to give you a video, and we're going to do a giveaway. And if you want to see what that is, it's coming up right now. Alright, so, well, let's do it a little magical. What we are going to give away, and we're going to do the giveaway different this time. We're going to make it more interactive, so you have a little bit of control over whether you win or not, and I'll explain that in a minute. But first, let's take a look at what we're giving away. My snapper's broke. There it is. Alright, so this is what we're going to be giving away. If you have not seen these before, Disney keys are going like crazy. Shop Disney is insane when these come out. Let me give you a better close-up picture. Boop. So this one is the Star Wars May the 4th Be With You. Came out on May the 4th. I bet that's a surprise to you. And they sold out. All these keys sell out. It's crazy how quick they go. So, we are going to give this away. Before we do that, and I explain how that's going to work, I wanted to give a quick shout out to Nicole Dickey, who made these for Mary and I. Obviously, everybody knows Mary loves Pooh, and I love Mickey, and we are going to put these on our vehicles, and thank you so much. That was very thoughtful of you to make those for us. We really appreciate it. So, how is this one going to work? Well, before we get into that, real quick, somebody had asked, so with this new camera, I know I talked about it a little bit. It's the Sony a6600. We're learning it. As you can see, it's a different angle on me today. We put the camera up higher so that I can get backed up further, closer to the background, so that I'm hoping, by doing this, the background is more in focus. The camera likes to just focus on me, which is a little awkward. I was hoping by backing up that the background will be in focus a little bit better. So let me know if that is the case. I also wanted to just make myself disappear for just a second so that you can see it focus on the background and see what is back there. So let's do that real quick. So as you can see, I just made myself invisible, and now you can take a look and see it's all in focus. See, look over there. Yeah, that's pretty well in focus. Over here too. Yeah, not too bad. Alright, so this is how it's gonna work. Usually we just say like, comment, subscribe, and fill out the form. This time, you're going to have a little bit of control. So you're still going to need to like the video, please. You have to be subscribed to our channel. You still will have the Google form down in the description, which just asks for your YouTube username and your email address so that I can email the winner. But instead of just putting a comment down below randomly, we're going to have you put a number down there. And what is that number going to be? You're going to have to guess something. Ready for this? This was all a setup so that I get a lot of Skittles. You are going to have to... This is so heavy. I don't know if I can put it... Ugh. You are going to have to figure out how many Skittles are in that. But you know what? That seems a little easy, doesn't it? How about... Gotta add these too. That's a lot of Skittles, but it's still not enough. There's some more. I don't know if you can tell or not, but I like Skittles. That looks like Nah, you know what? That's enough Skittles. So, in your comment down below, I would like you to guess the total number of Skittles in all 4 glasses. The closest person to the exact correct answer is going to win. So you can go above, you can go below, but the closest person to the number is going to be the winner of the Star Wars key. If there is a tie, we will have Alexa do the tiebreaker and do a random number to pick that.
I found on Wikipedia. In games and sports, a tiebreaker or stop.
So apparently when I said her name a little too loudly, I'm not sure if that picked up on camera or not, but she chimed in and started telling us how to play games. So let's do the like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment your guess at how many Skittles are in all 4 containers combined, and go in the description down below, click on the Google form and fill it out for me. And that is how you will be in this drawing. If you'd like to take a look at the last video, which was also a drawing, that one is for the Minnie Mouse main attraction Tiki Room plush and ears. Click the video right here. And if you'd like to subscribe to the channel to be a part of this, click the button right here. I hope you're having a great day.